Barney and Friends. Bedtime for Baby Bop. Guess what time it is? I know you'll guess it soon. The sun is going off to sleep. Here comes the smiling moon. I guess it's time to put away these toys that go beep beep. The moon whispers that it's time for me to go to sleep.
Guess what time it is? The moon is shining bright. The tub is filled with bubbles. So tell your toys good night.
I guess it's time for water. A bath, a splash, a dip. Big boats and toys that float. And a faucet going drip.
Guess what time it is? Here's your toothbrush and your gown. Just one more thing to do before you go lie down.
I guess it's time for brushing. My smile is foamy white. Up and down, in and out. My teeth are clean and bright. Guess what time it is? The lights are turned down low. I think you're almost ready now, so off to bed you go. I guess it's time for stories. I like fairy tales the best. Bring my blankie and a book, and then I'll surely rest.
Guess what time it is? The moon winks goodbye. Snuggle in, close your eyes. I'll sing a lullaby.
I guess it's time for bed now. The stars are twinkling bright. We had lots of fun today. Good night, sweet dreams, sleep tight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Barney stories, check out my Barney and Friends playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time.